Come test drive the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.